What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to start trading with Maestro Sniper boat.
Now to do that, the process is really simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. And in order to avoid scam bots, I'll provide a link in description of this bot as well. It's always best to use the authenticated one. So you guys can go and check out it from the link in description. So we'll hit the start button or you can simply type /start in order to start using this bot. It might show you a message such as this one. So go and follow both of these pages. After that, you can just go and type in /sniper and it will show you this message right here that you have been authorized the access. And once you have been authorized the access, what you need to do here is again type in sniper, and once you type it, it will open up options like this one, a menu, and here what you need to do is click on this wallets option, and here you can go and select any chain you want to trade on. For example, if I select Solana, I can click on it, and here click on this generate wallet button. It will generate a wallet for you. You can copy that wallet address, put it on another of your Solana wallet, and from there you can send Solana to this address. Once you are done with that, what we need to do in order to start buying or to start trading with this code, what we need to do is click on this configure button, and here you will see this buying and selling settings. You can go and adjust these buying and selling settings according to your preference. It contains some of the options such as confirm trade buy. Now these options allows you to confirm the trade. Bot will confirm the trade before executing it, and you can also go and select auto buy in order to buy according to your preferred settings. You can adjust the settings and turn on auto buy, and this bot will automatically buy it for you. And there's also duplicate buy. If you want to buy a certain token again and again, you can use this option for that. And there are also tons of options that you can go and adjust, such as minimum market cap, maximum market cap, minimum liquidity, maximum liquidity, and lots of other options. And they are really easy to edit. Just go and click on them and reply to this message according to your desired limit amount. For example, here I'll set it to 15 and it will simply go and show you a message such as this one, and that's how you can edit these options according to your preference. Once edited, now what we need to do is simply go and paste in the address of the token that you want to buy. For example, here I'll paste the address of this token Hemi, and once you paste it, a menu would open. And now this menu here, it will show you the information about the token, its contract address, its liquidity pool, options like this one. Now coming down here, you will see these tons of other options and some of the buying presets. Now, what you need to do on a single click, it will go and buy it for you. But as we have selected confirm trade option, now it will first confirm the trade, check the balance, confirm the trade, and once you confirm it, it will go and buy it for you. Well, that's how you can start buying for Maestro Sniper board. I hope you found this video helpful. See you guys in the